Hi everyone, my name is Chris and I'm from Need for Spread. Welcome to my channel and welcome to today's video. $2,750 profit today trading binary options crazy live session. And if you want to see what's all about and how I made this big profit trading binary options, stay here until the end of this video. And of course, if you are new to this channel, don't forget to subscribe and also hit the notification bell. In this way you'll be notified every time I'm uploading new videos. So that being said, without further ado, let's jump into the video. And look at this beautiful trend here. This is the signal over here, and we are waiting the confirmation on Awesome Oscillator, and we will place $500 gun machine trade. Wait and see. Now is the moment. We have the confirmation, the third candle here, and I've placed free gun machine trade on $500. And let's wait and see what will happen with these trades, if it will be in the money or not, because as you can see, it is an uptrend, and this should be in the money. We have the signal here, we have the confirmation here, and nothing can stop us to be winning, to have winning trades. Let's wait and see what will happen. And as you can see, it's going up. So for those of you who are new to my channel and you don't know what is happening, what this Cotex means and how you can trade binary options and make a profit from binary options, I have a lot of videos where I explain some strategies that I'm using on Cotex platform, and I recommend you to use Cotex platform because it is fast, it is reliable, it is easy to use. You have also signals here, as you can see. It's providing you signals on the page, exactly on the page. As you can see, we have New Zealand dollar, US dollar, a new signal. Let's have a look what is but we have 77% return on investment, which is not too good, and I will not trade this one. Euro, New Zealand dollar, US dollar. Let's have a look. Okay, no. And as you can see, this arrow here with green, it's up. This is an uptrend. On silver, New Zealand dollar, it is an uptrend. This is a downtrend, and so on. Let's have a look on silver, and we have 28 return on investment. No, I don't like this. All right, and our gun machine, let's have a look on our gun machine on GBP CAD, GBP Canadian dollar. Now, as you can see, this here, it is the return on investment has decreased. You have to be careful, but we are on 91. We are on 81%. As you can see, the return is 910, and we cannot lose these trades. We cannot lose these trades. Go ahead and use my strategy on moving average and Awesome Oscillator 3-minute strategy. This is, as you can see, you are trading with on 3 minutes time frame, and we are in the money. All the trades or free trades are in the money, and our balance has increased 7,440. Let's have a look here on Euro USD if we are placing another trade or not. I'll put a link below this video in the description area for Cotex platform. And GBP USD, let's have a look on GBP. 82% return on investment, which is, as you can see, this is a this is an up signal. And let's have a look here. Yes, we have the confirmation here, and maybe it is better to place a $100 trade here. $100, and see, because we have the confirmation on moving averages, and also the platform is giving us yes, and it's going up, as you can see. Let's wait a little bit to see if it's bouncing back or not. Yes, I placed 2 trades on $100 here, and let's see what is happening. Let's see if this will be an uptrend or not. This is unbelievable how accurate this strategy is on moving average and awesome oscillator. I encourage you to use it. I encourage you to trade on with this platform. Let's have a look on New Zealand dollar, US dollar, because we have a signal. This is an uptrend here, and I don't like this chart, how it looks. Let's go back to our GBP USD trade. We have 2 minutes left. It's a little bit down, but let's wait and see what will happen. We've placed an up trade. Oh, and it's going down. Probably this will be out of the money. I don't like this. Wow, it's going down, deep down. Let's place here $500 uptrend. 1, 2, 3, 4. Yes, and we will recover our losing trades on this because it will bounce back for sure. We will lose this $100 trades, but for sure this $500 trade, it will be in the money. That's no doubt, because it's bouncing back right now. If you are a newbie trader, all you have to know about the trading binary option is that you don't have to risk the money that you don't afford to lose, because with all of these strategies that I am using and all the indicators, you can lose because the market, and as you can see now, is going down. This is unbelievable. This is unbelievable. It's going down again. Let's have a look on Euro GPI here. GBP USD. And this is how you can blow your account, by making this kind of trades that I did now. Now these are out of the money, and let's see if it will bounce back with these $500 trades. Now as you can see, it's bouncing back, but we have still 1 minute to recover this $500. Yes, it's bouncing back. Hopefully it will go up, because as you saw, even our awesome oscillator showing us that this is an uptrend, and also the platform gave us the signal by being an up trade. Let's wait and see. We have 45 seconds more. This is unbelievable. If you have problem with your heart, then you shouldn't do this. 30 seconds more. Let's see if it will bouncing back again, if it's going up, or it will stay down and we will lose these trades. It is going back, and now it's bouncing back. We have 11 seconds, 9 seconds, and yes, it's going up, and we will be in the money. It's unbelievable. You see, 4 trades in the money. We have $930 return on investment with a $500 trade. All right, now we are on 8,960. You don't have to trade like I'm doing now with this big amount of money. I already made free withdrawals with Cotex. I'll put a video here with the last one with $10,000. So I afford to do this, but you have to trade with small amount of money. So that's it. This is Cotex. I'll put a link below this video in the description area for you to be easier to access it. At the second if you decide to join Cotex and you deposit a minimum $100, at the next deposit I will be able to give you a discount, to give you a, I don't know, 30% bonus on your second deposit. So use the link below this video that I'm giving you, and if you are new to my channel, don't forget to subscribe and also hit the notification bell. In this way you'll be notified every time I'm uploading new videos. So I'll see you in the next video. Bye.